good morning, welcome back to our channel. Yes, so today we are getting ready. We are going to watch the football game. It is Collingwood versus St Kilda. So if you don't know us yet, I barrack for Collingwood and Daddy follows St Kilda, so it will be an interesting one. So Paris is, well, there's a bit of story about Paris's football team, because when I was still pregnant, Mike actually sent me a text message saying I had to do it. So I was a bit like, oh, okay, so what did you do? What exactly did you do? That he got Paris a St Kilda membership. Like, seriously, mate, Paris is still in my tummy. You know, she's not even out yet, and yeah, he's already got her membership, so there you go. Now I think Paris follows St Kilda just because of that. But we all know when they grow up, they will have their own minds and they can choose their own team. So yeah, anyways, that is fine for sure. She's gonna follow Collingwood. Don't tell her daddy. Yeah, so as you can see, I got makeup on because, you know, why not? We're going to the footy and probably take you know, some Instagram photos, so that's why I've got some curly hair as well. Why not? Who cares? And I've got this is actually not mine, it is Mike's, but it's very comfortable. It's pretty cool outside, so this would help. And yes, so Paris is still sleeping, but as soon as she wakes up, we're gonna go. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we get there. Bye. Hi guys, so we already parked and we're just walking towards the MCG now. Hi. So we're just running, guys, so we won't get late. Guys, may hinihingal na, guys. So all these people are going there. And that is the MCG. Paris is sleeping. God, guys, we're here. Have a look how YouTube.
Just wait for a sec.
Just wait a second. Do you love it? Smell. So guys, we're here now. Actually, we didn't have to pay anything here today because Mike's got friend, and he let us in for free, and we're just in one of the best seats in the how do you call it? I don't know how you call this place. The ground, I'd say. So yeah, good one, good one. Oh. Halftime, guys. We're just gonna go grab something to eat because it's already 3. Is it 3 o'clock? Yeah. For the good old Collingwood. You know. Hi guys, good evening. We just got home from the footy game that we went to. Yes, so Mimi's team and my team, we won. So obviously Paris's and Dada's team lost. Oh, that's why she's crying. Is that why you're crying now? She's got cold, guys, so she's not too well. Yeah, so we're going to end the vlog here now. However, before we do that, we want to do some shout out, and we wanna shout out who? Ate Wallen. So hi Ate Wallen.
og sa mga anak niya nga gwapa, kay iya mga anak gid ang gwapa, wa gid taon sa inahan taon maluoy. Yeah, so hi Sam.
Pia,
Lala, and also Arthur. Hi Arthur. Wanna say hi to? Oh. Hi sa mong Lola Wally, no? Tinananaw. Ah, good job, Wally. Yay. Mama. So yeah, thank you for being with us today. It's been a long day, so we're gonna have a rest now. Yeah, so don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. See you later.